let's look at some invitations to do meaningful work with good handwriting. The Write a Message Center provides authentic literacy experience. Children write important messages to their friends, and they love writing and receiving messages. That's one more reason why we call this Joyful Pathways to Accelerated Literacy. Cards and letters to friends go in the mailbox. Independent wordwork totes provide authentic handwriting practice all year. We love lists. Early in the year, children make lists of their favorite ABC phonics words. We write thank you as secret messages to take home and hide. Do your best handwriting. These may become Thanksgiving and Mother's Day messages. Handwriting practice is woven into authentic writing experiences that have meaning to the child, not isolated drill. We make stamp and read books and practice my, buy, book in addition to our name and the end. We choose 3 animals and make a 3-page stamp and read book. I see a cat stamped soon becomes I see a cat with good handwriting. Here's another reason to learn good handwriting. We want to read your page in our class ABC book. Kindergarten friends, notice how easy it is to read Sarah's page? Good handwriting matters. Reversals are common in kindergarten. Gentle reminders are needed. And here's my advice. Help children practice pink heart word sentences for mastery early in the year, and you'll correct most reversal. Handwriting proficiency with heart word sentences builds writing muscle and stamina for writing workshop and end of the year publishing. We promise. Our approach to kindergarten-friendly handwriting builds common core connections. Children are so much more ready for opinion, information, and narrative writing.